Hey, Alistair here. In this video, we're going to look at false friends in English and Italian as requested by these two YouTubers. A false friend is a word that is often confused with a word in another language because the two words look or sound similar. For example, this word in English, chat, means to talk casually, whereas in French, the word is spelt the same, pronounced chat, and means cat. So why Italian? Italian, with around 90 million speakers worldwide, is a Romance language and has official status in Italy, Switzerland, San Marino, and Vatican City. It is known as the language of music due to its use in musical terminology and opera. In my experience, knowing these false friends helps Italian speakers learning English and English speakers learning Italian. Let's kick things off with Annoiare and Annoy. Imagine a group of Italian students learning English, and they're all falling asleep because it's a dull lesson, hardly able to keep their eyes open. They whisper to each other, "This lesson is annoying me." That's because in Italian, annoiare means to bore, whereas in English, annoy means to make someone angry or a little upset, like an annoying little brother. To say that someone or something is annoying, in Italian, use irritare. Next up, Educato and Educated. Picture the scene. An English-speaking professional is at a job interview in Italy and tells the interviewers they are educato, thinking it means educated, intelligent, having lots of knowledge through learning at school and university. The interviewers respond, "I should certainly hope that you're polite, as that's what educato means in Italian, behaving in a way that is socially correct and shows understanding of and care for other people's feelings." Next, one that could lead to confusion. Camera and camera. A camera is a room, and this is a camera. Not much to say here, though watch out for the confusion. I fell into this trap in 2007 when visiting Italy. This next pair is kinda easy to get. Fattoria and Factory. If you're looking for directions to a factory and you end up in a farm or fattoria, you've fallen for this false friend. Number 5, Grosso and Gross. Visualize being given something truly disgusting to eat and telling your Italian-speaking friend that it is grosso. Clearly, they're surprised at your reaction as it's only a small portion. Why is this? Grosso in Italian means big, and gross in English means extremely unpleasant. If you know any more false friends between English and Italian, comment below. And for more false friends between English and other languages, check out this playlist.